How we found the invisible. Some objects in space are so heavy that they trap light itself. We call them black holes. And the strange part is, we found them without ever seeing one. A black hole is a place where gravity is so strong that nothing can pull away from it. Not a rocket, not even light. Around it is an invisible edge called the event horizon. Cross that edge and there is no coming back. So how do you find something that gives off no light at all? The answer took almost 200 years. The first clue came a long time ago. In 1783, an English priest named John Michell had a wild idea. What if a star could be so heavy that its own light could not escape? He called it a dark star. Nobody could test it, so the idea was mostly forgotten. More than 100 years later, the math caught up. In 1916, using Einstein's new theory of gravity, a scientist named Karl Schwarzschild showed that such an object could really exist. Still, it was just numbers on paper. Many scientists thought nature would never actually make one. The name we use today came later. In 1967, the physicist John Wheeler started calling them black holes, and the name stuck. Then came the real proof. In space, a black hole is invisible, but its pull is not. Scientists look for stars that seem to circle around nothing, or hot gas spinning and glowing as it falls in. In the 1970s, they found exactly that. A spot called Cygnus X-1 was pulling on a nearby star, and whatever was doing the pulling was far too heavy to be anything we knew. It sits more than 6,000 light years away. That is the distance light travels in 6,000 years, and weighs about 21 times as much as our sun. For decades, we only had clues like this. Then, in 2019, telescopes around the world worked together and took the first real picture of a black hole. A dark center ringed by glowing gas, 55 million light years from home. We found the darkest things in the universe. By watching the light around them,